Olá a todos, meu nome é Yuchengu, sou da China e sou estudante de doutorando do gelo. The topic I'd like to introduce is study on weakening mechanism of foundation bearing capacity of offshore monopile turbine. This is a thesis I completed at China University of Petroleum. It is preciously because of my research in this field of offshore wind energy that I'm now fortunate enough to join the JELU at UFRG. First, the background. As a primary foundation type for offshore wind turbine, monopile foundation involve complex peel-soiled nonlinear interaction due to continuous peeling during installation and the weakening of bearing capacity under long-term cyclic loading conditions. Therefore, accurately understanding the weakening mechanism is crucial for wind turbine foundation design. So I will introduce the experiments, weakening model, and the numerical simulation in the two directions respectively. First, I built an experimental system of continuous vertical peeling to simulate the installation of a monopile foundation. I obtained the cumulate displacement, pale top reaction force, and the pale side friction during the peeling process. The experimental data verified that the exponential weakening model can be used to evaluate the weakening of the vertical bearing capacity of the pale foundation caused by the peeling process. Then the weakening model was numerically simulated using an abacus subroutine. Next, horizontal cyclic loading tests were conducted to simulate cyclic environmental loads. I obtained the lateral displacement, bending moment, cyclic hysteresis curve for each pair. The bearing capacity between 1 cycle and 3,000 cycles were also compared. The reduction factor of the soil PY curve was fitted through the experiments, and then numerical simulation were also performed in abacus. That is all I want to share. Thank you for listening.